Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy. I assume you're here because your air conditioner is not working properly. So today I'm going to be showing you one of the most common reasons why you'll have warm air blowing from the vents in your home. Your capacitor, which is the little cylinder in the back corner, does two things. It starts your fan and keeps it going, and it starts your compressor and keeps it going. The capacitor can go bad altogether where nothing works. It can make it so that only the fan spins, or so that only the compressor works. It doesn't have to be both at the same time. You can hear the compressors running, but the fan is not. So one way is to pull a pry bar, a screwdriver, anything you can get down inside here, and spin your fan counterclockwise. Some people call this the stick test. You can do it with a stick. I prefer to do it with something metal so it doesn't break off something inside my air conditioner. But once I spin it, the fan actually starts going. If you can get your fan spinning, it will cool your house. The fan's job is to pull the hot air out of the system. As soon as you get that fan spinning, you'll feel lots of warm air coming out of your air conditioner. Over here on the wall, you have a disconnect. Yours could potentially be just a switch that flips on and off here. Mine is a pull tab. All I have to do is pull this out, and the unit cuts off. I can set it on top without danger of it coming back on. Wherever the power cord enters the air conditioner, you'll notice that there's a panel that's removable. I've already removed the screws on this one, and I will now remove the panel that covers up all our components. You have a control panel here, your capacitor here. That's the round end of it. And you can see the capacitor has several spade tips on it. Remember, the capacitor stores power. So the first thing we need to do is discharge it. The easiest way to ensure it's discharged is to take a screwdriver with an insulated handle and lay the metal part of the screwdriver across the different terminals on the capacitor. Before you start removing the wires from the spades on the capacitor, go ahead and take a picture of it so you know where to put them back once you get the new capacitor. You can use some needle nose pliers to remove all the wires from the connectors and then remove any screws holding the capacitor in. Then you should be able to remove it from the bracket that's holding it. Capacitors on air conditioners are typically a dual capacitor, meaning it is a start and a run. Most likely the start portion of this capacitor failed, which prevented the fan from starting on its own. You can go to your local supply house that sells air conditioner parts. Sometimes they also sell appliance parts and buy you a new one, or you can order on Amazon. Make sure that you match up the microfarads rating as well as the voltage. Your voltage can be a little bit higher, but make sure it at least covers the range that's shown. All right, so I have the new capacitor installed. It was a little thinner than the other one. I had to put some electrical tape around it to make it fit in the hole. I reconnected my wires, the orange to common, brown to fan, and the purple to the compressor, which is labeled Herm. I switched the air conditioner back on inside the house. So now we'll put the switch back in the breaker box and see what happens. You see our fan comes on. I heard the compressor kick on, so we should be good to go. All that's left now is to replace the panel that covered all of your wiring. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.